Hey guys, guess who? If you guessed me, you're right. I'm back with another video. So yes, I'm just gonna get the elephant out of the room. I did dye my hair back to how it used to look and I love it. I was actually gonna try a few more hair colors before I dyed it back to dark, but I got bored the other night and things just kind of escalated from there. So I'm back to being a brunette and I love it. Also, if you're wondering why there's a totally different background, this is boring, I'm gonna fix this. If you're wondering why there's a totally different background, it's because we're reflooring my upstairs, so I can't really film by the Christmas tree or by the fireplace because we moved the tree out of the way. So I'm just gonna film by my little tree because it's still festive and gets us in the holiday spirit, even if this isn't exactly a holiday video. But I'm just gonna jump right in. I've been thinking about why I want to do this a lot lately, and I feel like the why kind of fuels the how and the what, and why I'm, Harley, stop. The why kind of fuels why I've been putting up so many videos and why I've been working so hard on my channel, and I just want to explain that. Yes, I'm more on YouTube more. Yes, that's a good thing. I kind of talked about it in my I think it's called, what did I title that? How to handle life changes, something like that. I talked about why I want to focus on YouTube, but this is just kind of a little specifically for YouTube, not just about my life in general, what my plans are for the future, and everything YouTube, basically. So why I want to be on YouTube is because I have been on YouTube. I have basically grown up on YouTube. You can scroll back really far and probably start seeing videos when I was like 13, and that was 6 years ago. Yeah, that sounds about right. So I've really literally grown up with this, and before this it was my blog. So everyone who was on my blog, which I loved you all dearly, most of you followed me to this, so here we are now. And you've literally grown up with me and always been there for me, and I could always count on you guys, and I just want to continue that because I love you all so much. And I don't want to say weird, but I don't want this to come out and you guys be like, whoa, but I'm really only happy when I'm doing YouTube or something related to YouTube, like working. I was only happy when I did my blog, and now I'm really only truly happy when I work on my YouTube. And I just think that I should be fair to myself and give it an honest shot. I've never 100% put my effort into YouTube, and I just don't want to wake up when I'm 30 and say, man, I wish I would have started that YouTube thing and see where I'd taken it. So this is kind of a little time for myself, since I'm kind of deciding what makes me happy and what I want to pursue in my life, and this is it. I mean, I'm still in college, and this does not mean, oh, I'm dropping out. Oh, I'm still pursuing my major, and my major does make me happy. It's just that I feel that I'm more passionate about inspiring others and talking to you guys and working out problems with you and making content for you. So why not give it a shot, So my brother just turned on his music, and I'm gonna try and edit it out, but if you hear it, it's just my brother. So basically that's the why. I really want this to turn into my job, but I'm obviously not gonna put all of my eggs in one basket. So I'm still going to college. I still want to be in equine genetics. It's just, this is another thing that I owe it to myself to try because it makes me so happy, and I've been going in circles and trying to avoid it and do something more safe for so long, and I just don't feel like I can do that anymore because of you guys. I don't think that you guys know that I care about you so much and that you hold such a big place in my heart, but I can't not focus on you guys, and I can't not work with this channel and do my best because it just makes me upset. Basically, that's it. I just think that I owe it to myself to give this whole thing a shot, and I owe it to you guys, and hopefully that's okay with you. And if you are new and you have not seen my journey up to this far, now is a perfect time to join. We are currently working on reinventing this channel, working with you guys, loving you guys, doing content that you want to see. If there's something that you want to see, comment below, and I'm open to any ideas, okay? I will literally do whatever. I just love being with you guys and making you guys happy, and literally, you're like my life. So, yeah, If you're not in the fam, it's time to join. We don't bite. We're pretty cool. I make new videos twice a week. I try to upload on Mondays and either Thursdays or Fridays, but if not, it's definitely twice a week. And I love you all so much. If you want to see me between uploads, you can follow my social media in the description box. And if you want to like and leave a comment saying what content you want me to see, or how long you've been in the fam, or what you're excited about on this journey that we are going on, then be my guest. I will reply and I'll be talking to you guys as long as you comment on this video and continue to interact with me. I love you guys. This was just a short little why I do what I do and showing how excited and fired up I am to be doing this and working on this. And I'm just really excited about the direction I'm going in. This is a new era. I dyed my hair, so it's officially a new era of the Grace Torie world. Yeah, things might be looking up. I don't want to jinx it, but things are looking up. So I love you all. That's really it. I'll talk to you in my next video, and have a good day, night, afternoon, morning, year. It's almost 2019, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.
So I heard you found somebody else.